Hi, this is Dr. Stephen Bracci, Verve Medical Cosmetics. Lip filler procedures, options, duration, and considerations. Lip filler injections utilize a filler type called hyaluronic acid fillers. Brand names you may know of: Juvederm, Restylane, Versa. These fillers are in a category made from natural gels that are soft and are hydrophilic, meaning they absorb water to enhance lip fullness and plumpness. The procedures for lip fillers and the techniques varies depending on the lip area being desired to be treated, the outcome, and either they utilize a needle or a cannula. Needles are sharper and ideal for dense areas like the lip borders or precise adjustments, but they have a higher likelihood of causing bruising and are slightly more painful. Cannulas, on the other hand, are less sharp and they're longer, so they can treat most, if not all, of the lip through one entry point, often resulting in less bruising and, of course, less pain. How long do lip fillers last? Well, typically up to about 6 months. The lips are very mobile, and the factors affecting the lip duration is including how much filler you have. More filler usually lasts longer. The analogy would be a larger ice cube takes longer to melt. Same thing with fillers. More fillers are going to last longer. The treatment areas, basically the lip border tends to last longer than the belly of the lip. The border of the lip is very firm, so the filler tends to last a lot longer in that area. Some patients experience long-lasting, if not nearly permanent results, and this is possibly related to a biostimulatory effect that encourages new collagen formation. So the theory on why some people get long-lasting results or near permanent results with lip fillers is because they just have a good immune system that produces more collagen. So even when the product is gone, there's still results remaining. So let's talk about the treatment areas of the lips. The body of the lip, as we mentioned, is the targeted area for lip size and plumpness, and cannulas are really, in my practice, the go-to item for this. The vermilion border, the border between the boundary between the skin and the lips itself, where I choose needles, are better suited for this area because they're more precise, getting in this firm area. Key considerations. Contouring may be beneficial for fuller lips, but it has to match the rest of the face. If the lips are too big relative to the rest of the face, then obviously that's a telltale sign that it's unnatural. You want to aim for a natural shape that matches your natural shape, and you want to make sure that from side to side it's even. And of course, the lip ratio of upper to lower. This is important. Most people choose a 50-50 ratio, with some people choosing a little bit of a larger lower lip, maybe a 60-40 ratio. And the biggest variable of consideration is just the surrounding areas. The lips' appearance in relation to these nasolabial folds and these marionette areas. If the lips are too full and if these folds are too deep, then it doesn't match. So what are the 3 common causes of unnatural lips? Well, excessive filler treatment is particularly in the body of the lip is perhaps the most important, just getting too big of lips. Another thing that I see often is lip fillers being placed too deep. If you put too much filler too deep, it tends to roll the lips out and they get like their kissing appearance, and it tends to look unnatural. And number 3, as we mentioned, ignoring these nasolabial folds and marionette areas, the areas around the mouth. If the lips are too full and the areas around the mouth, the frame around the mouth is too deep, then it just doesn't look natural. In summary, lip fillers can be applied via a needle or a cannula, and basically depending on whether you're focusing on the border or the body of the lip. And the consideration should include the facial harmony, lip ratios, top to bottom, side to side, size and shape, and adjacent areas. But the most important variable of all is finding a provider who is fully dedicated to injectables and can give you the most natural looking results, and of course looking at their large portfolio before and after photos.